In violation of the universally acknowledged disputed status of Jammu and Kashmir and the commitment of plebiscite to the Kashmiris by India's own first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Indian Supreme Court has endorsed Narendra Modi government's illegal act of abrogating the Jammu and Kashmir special status. There has already been consensus among all pro-freedom parties in occupied Jammu and Kashmir that Modi-led India's government is using its judiciary to advance its Hindutva agenda in the occupied territory, and the today's verdict is a part of this agenda. Incarcerated senior leader of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Shabir Ahmed Shah, has urged the international community to take cognizance of the fast deteriorating human rights situation in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Shabir Ahmed Shah, in his message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, said that political, social, cultural and religious rights of the Kashmiri people remain critically suppressed. Kashmiris from across political spectrum have rejected the Indian Supreme Court's verdict violating the Narendra Modi government's illegal act of revoking the special status of occupied Jammu and Kashmir and reiterated to continue their struggle for the right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar reacting to the verdict said that the Indian government or its judiciary has no right to decide the legal status of the internationally recognized disputed status of Jammu and Kashmir. 9 Kashmiri students were arrested after being assaulted and booked in a fake case in the Rajasthan state of India. According to Kashmir Media Service, the incident took place when a gang affiliated with the Hindutva organizations attacked the Kashmiri students studying at the Mewar University of Rajasthan. The students were outnumbered and assaulted by the goons. All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter has urged the United Nations General Secretary Antonio Guterres to facilitate a just, peaceful and durable solution of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC AJK in a memorandum drew the attention of the UN chief towards the plight of the Kashmiris. Speakers at an event stressed the need for devising a roadmap for the settlement of the Kashmir dispute acceptable to Pakistan, India, and above all the people of Jammu and Kashmir, whose fundamental party to the dispute. According to Kashmir Media Service, the event was organized by Global Peace Movement Jammu and Kashmir.